Hi all, in this video I am going to tell you how to draw a three-phase waveform. For that, first of all you draw a horizontal line and then a vertical line. Okay, on the vertical line, from the point of intersection from here, you take 1 centimeter upwards and put one dot and name it as 0.5 Vs. I am taking Vs because we are drawing the voltage waveform. Similarly, from there, 1 more centimeter, you go upwards, measure with a scale and mark it as plus Vs, and from there go 0.5 centimeters. From here 0.5 centimeters you come here, Vm or root 3 Vs. Similarly, below the horizontal line you draw one point at 1 centimeter, you measure with the scale and name it as minus 0.5 Vs. Similarly, from here you take one more centimeter, measure with the scale and name it as minus Vs, and from this point half centimeter below you draw it as minus Vm. Okay. Similarly, on the x-axis, at the origin you write it as 0 degrees, and then from here towards the right side, draw 1 centimeter. So measure 1 centimeter and put a dot and name it as 30 degrees. And repeat this process 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees. So the distance between any two dots on horizontal line or x-axis is always 1 centimeter. So at 1 centimeter again you measure, name it as 150, followed by that 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330 and 360. Okay, and then now you draw a horizontal line from 0.5 Vs parallel to this original horizontal line. Similarly at Vs, from Vs you draw a horizontal line, and from root 3 Vs also you draw a horizontal line. Below the horizontal line also you draw like this. Okay, similarly for the vertical lines, at each and every dot, you draw a line parallel to vertical lines like this. Okay, clear? So this is already available in your graph sheet. Okay, if you don't have a graph sheet, you have only white sheet, then you can follow this. After drawing this grid, now we will start drawing the three-phase waveform. So first waveform is given by the mathematical equation sin omega t, or Vr is equal to Vm sin omega t. So from that means it is starting from 0. So sine wave we have to draw. So start from this point. You try to join all the diagonals of each box or each square or rectangle. Okay. So this is one box. Try to join to its diagonal. Similarly, from here you try to join to its diagonal. Similarly to this diagonal, and then here. Similarly the other diagonal, that is at 150 degrees and 180 degrees, it becomes 0. Again this box you try to join to this diagonal here, similarly here, and then next box similar 330 here and 360, and then to this point, and finally close it. Okay, so this is the phase R voltage. So here I'll put it as red color to indicate it is a phase R voltage, and for clear visibility let us take it like this. So this is a drawn waveform. It is not coming perfectly because I'm using a mouse. If you draw with pencil or pen, it will come very neatly. Okay. Similarly, next take another phase. So let us assume that it is y phase. So it will start from 120 because the mathematical equation is Vy is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 120. So it should start from 120. There's a delay of 120 degrees. So from 120 you start, you join here and then here to this point here like this. Keep joining and then here. Let me close it like this. So similarly backside also we have to extend it from this corner of diagonal to here, then to here, and then here to it goes on like this. Okay, so let me give it a shape. Okay, see here, this is also okay. So this is the y phase. Okay, like this you can make grid and make any number of graphs. Okay, this is I am drawing the voltage waveform. If you want to draw the current waveform, correspondingly the magnitude is adjusted, and however the frequency will remain the same, but there will be a phase lag or phase lead. Similarly, let us take the third phase, that is B phase. B is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 240. So let us start from 240. So try to join the diagonal here, opposite diagonal here also. Try to join the diagonal here, then here, and finally I'm ending it. Okay, here the curves are not coming properly because I'm drawing using mouse. But if you use a pencil or pen, they will come very neatly. So this is B phase. Okay, so let us extend it backwards to 40, 210, 180, 150. This video is basically for you to draw waveforms quickly in your examination. Okay, these equations are mathematically proven and are correct in all aspects. Okay, this waveform is drawn based on the mathematical equations. Okay, and they are correct. But this waveform is to help you because so many people are facing problem asking questions how to draw the waveform. Okay, so this is how we do it. Thank you.